How to wrap an African print skirt 5 ways. First, I'm going to do the traditional way just by putting the strap through the loophole and wrapping it around your waist to your comfort. Don't worry about my dirty shirt, it'll get better at the end of the video. And go ahead and tie it, and that's it. Look two, we're going to just crisscross each strap around the nape of your neck, and then you're going to take those straps and then wrap it around. Crisscross it in the back and then wrap it around your waist and then tie it to your comfort, and that's it. Next look is really easy. Just wrap the skirt around the nape of your neck and then wrap it around your waist as many times as you want. Tie it, and bam, it's giving you this robe vibe, this kimono vibe, and we gotta love that. First off, let's give it up to this print. It's amazing. Tie it over your shoulder and then wrap it around your waist, and honey, we got a little one shoulder vibe. It's a whole mood. Love it. And last but not least, you're going to take an elastic, loop it through the loophole, and then you're going to take that and wrap it around your neck. And then you're going to take the straps, wrap it around the back and then to the front. You can wrap it as many times as you want to. Got to cover that butt, y'all. So just crisscross the fabric in the back, tuck it to your comfort, and bam, you got a cute little dress. Like and follow for more.